And now to this Fox News alert. I can't quit following this story. Yeah. Rescuers in Mexico City, they're working around the clock to save a 12-year-old little girl who is trapped underneath that school that was destroyed by the devastating earthquake.
Yeah, it's really an epicenter of this story. Crews unable to pull her out at this point, but they have been able to get her water and oxygen. 11 other children already have been rescued from the rubble of this school.
Aquí, sácala, ven mi amor, por ahí. No la vais a raspar. Ahora por allá, bebé. Sácala por allá.
It's just incredible. The 7.1 quake, leaving at least 21 little kids and 4 adults at that school dead.
Wow. But more than 240 people total have died across the city. But some officials say that number could reach 1,000.